Okay, it's Sunday, December the 5th, 8:21. Karen's upstairs. My wife is washing dishes. We can see that this is obviously the air handler, and it's on. She's got the water on upstairs. We go over to the Rinnai, and we see it's flashing 12. Alright, let's get that closer. See that? Flashing 12, error code, nothing on. Put my hand on the tap. Okay. It's cold. It was warm at some point. It's just a little bit warmer over here on the far side, but everything else is cold, cold, cold. Cold. Return from the air handler, still a little bit warm. Only a little. No, it's cold. Everything's cold. So go down, unplug the unit. Okay, we'll unplug the unit. Give it a second. Plug her back in. And fires up. Take a look. Yeah, you can see it going. There's the flame. This is what happens to us here. Getting a little tired of it.